Hello everyone, my name is Putu Rubia Pilartana with student ID 24151010 and I am a computer science student. Speaking of computer science student, there are so many fields that we can explore and specialize in, such as AI, networking, IoT, or web development. When it comes to building a website, especially regarding UI UX, we cannot just design randomly. There are two fundamental frameworks that every UI UX developer must know. First is 8 golden rules, and then the second is 10 usability heuristics. And maybe this is your first time hearing about them, and you might be wondering, like, is that really important? So 8 golden rules are 8 interface design guidelines developed by Best Standardman. These rules focus on increasing user productivity by reducing confusion, preventing error, and making interaction more controlled and consistent. And what about 10 usability heuristics? So it's 10 general principles for human-computer interaction design. They are called heuristic because they are broad rules of thumb rather than rigid and specific usability guidelines. And perhaps to make it more easier to understand, we're gonna review an application that commonly used by many people. It's Pinterest. Pinterest is a social media platform and visual search engine to helping a user discover their creative ideas such as fashion style, cooking recipe, and even DIY project tips. And personally, I've been using this application for about 5 years to help me for drawing, find a design poster, and else. Within Pinterest, there are so many features that support this experience. For instance, there are pins which allow us to save image or video which represent our ideas that we want to explore. And also they have boards to group those pins based on specific them. And for example, I used to save photos that specifically relate to Batman or New Jeans. Furthermore, there is a visual search feature that allows us to find a similar object by just using an image or specific part of it, and how fits that personalized based on our recent search and interest. Pinterest also provides an explore and shop tab to discover the latest trends or buy products directly from a pin. Interestingly, we have full control of our privacy. We can set the board to be a public or just we that only can see the boards, ranging from designer and creators who looking for reference to students like me that used to find an ideas for my assignment. Essentially, Pinterest is versatile tool used by general public for any creative need. And now let's analyze how Pinterest implement the 8 golden rules and 10 usability heuristics. First, maybe I will explain about the 8 golden rules. So in 8 golden rules, the first is strive for consistency. So it's maintain uniform icons, color, menu hierarchy, and user flow so user can operate the interface without relearning it. And the second, there is enable frequent user to use shortcuts. So it provides keyboard shortcuts or menu icon like favorites to help experienced user complete tasks faster. And then there is offer informative feedback. So this is ensure the system clearly communicates its current states and activities to the user. And then design dialog to yield the closure. So its actions should have a clear beginning, middle, and end, so user know exactly when a task is finished. And then there is over simple error handling. So if an error occurs, the system should not blame the user, but offer simple constructive steps to fix it. And then there is permit easy reversal of actions. So allow users to fix mistakes through undo buttons or confirmation dialogues before irreversible actions. And then supports internal locus or control. Let a user be the initiator of action by giving them full control over system navigation. And then the last is reduce short-term memory load. So it since humans can only hold limited information in short-term memory, system should prioritize the recognition over recall. And then maybe we can go next to 10 usability heuristic. The first is visibility of system status. So the design should keep user informed about what is happening through the appropriate feedback. And then match between a system and the real world. So use word, phrases, and icons that are familiar to the user rather than internal technical jargon. And then user control and freedom. So provides a clearly marked emergency exits like a cancel button maybe, and then so user can leave unwanted actions easily. And then consistent and standard. So user should not have to wonder if different words or actions mean the same, like follow industry convention. And then error prevention. The best designs prevent problems from occurring in the first place by eliminating errors from conditions. And then recognition rather than recall. So it minimizes the user memory load by making an element, actions, and option visible and easy to retrieve. And then flexibility and efficiency of use. So it provides accelerator like keyboard shortcuts or personalized to help expert user for faster. And then aesthetic and minimalist design. Interface should focus on essential and not contain information that is irrelevant or really needed. And then help user recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. So its error message should use plain language to indicate the problem and suggest a solution. And then the last is help and documentation. Provide concise and easy to search documentation to help user understand how to complete specific tasks. Okay, and then let's analyze the 8 golden rules and 10 usability heuristic in Pinterest. So I'm already analyzed the implementation from the 8 golden rules and 10 usability heuristic in Pinterest. So this is the rubric that I have made before. So for the feature visual search, it's positive, so user can search for ideas by taking a photo or selecting part of an image. The system accurately finds similar visual pattern. So it's connected to the 8 reduce short-term memory load in 8 golden rules. So user do not need to describe object with complex word. And for the 10 usability heuristic, this is connected to the 6, so it's recognition rather than recall. So the app identifies objects visually, so user don't have to remember specific names. And then for feature save pin to board, so it's positive. When a user clicks save, a small notification appears at the bottom confirming which board the pins was saved to. And this is connected for the golden rules. For the third, it's offer informative feedback. So the system provides immediate confirmation of the user actions. And then for the 10 usability heuristic, is connected to the first, visuality of system status. The app keeps user informed about the successful saving process in real time. And then for feature deleting a pin from board, it has a negative because when deleting a pin, the confirmation dialog is clear. But if a user accidentally deletes it, there is no undo button on the main screen to quickly restore it. So it's connected to the 6 of the golden rules. So permit easy reversal of actions. While there is a confirmation, the lack of an instant undo button make recovery slow. And then for the 10 usability heuristic, this is connected to the third, so it's user control and freedom. User may feel frustrated if they make a mistake and cannot instantly reverse the decision. And then for feature home feed customization, user can tune your home feed in settings to hide specific pins or topics they are no longer interested in. So is positive and is connected to the number 7 of the GA Golden Rules, support internal locus of control. It gives user full power to initiate change and control what they see. And then for the usability heuristic, this is also connected for the 7, so its flexibility and efficiency of use. Allow user to tailor the content according to their current personal interest. And then for the last feature is help center access. It's negative to find specific help or report a technical bug. User must go through several layers: settings, support, and help center. And is connected to the number X, so reduce short-term memory load. The user have to memorize multiplying navigation steps to find assistance. And then for the 10 usability heuristic, is connected to the last of the usability heuristic, is help and recommendation. So help is available, but it is not represented in context or easily accessibility during text. Okay, I think that's all for the analyze the implementation of a Golden Rules and 10 usability heuristic implementation in Pinterest, and then I will go with the conclusion. Based on my review, we can conclude that Pinterest has a high-level usability. Pinterest is able to implement almost all points of 8 Golden Rules and 10 usability heuristic, particularly in terms of visual consistency and ease of operation for casual user. The application proves that by minimizing user memory load and visual first approach, human-computer interaction can become more enjoyable and intuitive. While there is still a little room for improvement regarding system status transparency during slow connection, overall Pinterest serves as an industry standard example for study within a human-computer interaction course. And I think that's all from me. Bye!